Stem cells are special cells in the human body that can transform into many different types of cells. They act like the body's natural repair system. One of the most common uses of stem cells is treating blood diseases like leukemia. Doctors use bone marrow stem cell transplants to create healthy blood cells. Stem cells are also used to repair damaged skin in burn victims. These cells help grow healthy new skin and speed up healing. Stem cells may also repair damaged heart muscles after a heart attack, helping the heart pump blood more effectively. Researchers are working on using stem cells to create insulin-producing cells for people with diabetes. In the future, stem cells may help scientists grow replacement organs and treat diseases once thought impossible to cure. Subscribe to learn more amazing science facts and future technologies. Thank you for watching.